Happy birthday! We wish you all the best, Diana, Ninang, and Ninong Blitz. Love you.
Hello, we wish you good health and we hope you grow up like what your parents want you to be, and we hope that you will be prosperous when you grow up. God bless you.
Alright, yay! Okay, thank you po sa mga well-wish. Opo.
I hope you will be member of the Parikoy too.
Ano yung parikoy, kuya? Ganya talaga ba? Talaga ba? May paggang-gang tayo? Sinong leader ng gang na yan? Ayan.
I think everyone is settled, so let's enjoy the food. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
First birthday. So I wish you'll grow a better girl and a strong woman. Continue to grow, fulfilling your life. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my baby. I love you.
Happy first birthday, Diana. I know you bring happiness to your mom and dad, and may you continue to shine and be the star of their lives. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Diana. Happy first birthday, Diana. I wish you good health and be a good girl. And God bless you always.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Diana.
Wish you a happy birthday.
Okay, Ninang wish you a very happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang maayos, anak. And always remember, nandito si Ninang at si Ninong for you. Anytime, okay? Love you.
Happy birthday, Diana. We love you.
And Diana, I know that you're gonna grow up as a really beautiful and a really nice and caring girl. And I hope that you have a good health all the time. And then I hope you will always listen to your mom and dad when you grow up. Okay? We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Diana!
Happy birthday.
Oh, we hope you have a great first birthday.
Third one.
Primo, she said fries.
Okay, andito ako. Ang pangalan ko si Romano, and this is our birthday celebrator, si Diana. I wanted to greet you a happiest and a blessed birthday. Alam mo, it's 1 year old. You're such a big blessing sa family mo. I pray and na maging blessing ka sa pamilya mo lagi, and with all the people surround you. May you have always invite joy, peace kung nasan ka man, and may you have a good health. Okay, be a loving daughter for your mom and for your dad. In the name of Jesus, that is my prayer for you. Okay, happy birthday.
Wake up, I'm about to shake up every little thing, show you all that we can be. Come dance in my glow. Fireflies.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Diana!
19 seconds! What's your name?
James.
James! James! Okay, James, are you ready? What's the name of the birthday celebrant?
Janara.
Denala! Okay, are you ready? Okay, whenever you're ready, James, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Dana.
Again, I want you to do it again. I want you to do it again. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Dana.
Happy birthday tayo na na! Repeat. Do it again in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Dana.
And you will get another 10 seconds. You got total of 20 seconds. Is that okay? So, give me your daddy. Give me your daddy. Give me your daddy. Get your daddy. Get your daddy. I want your daddy. Give me your daddy. I want your daddy. Give me your daddy. Come on. Where's your daddy? Okay. Okay. So, unahin natin. What is your name again?
Avery.
Avery. What's the name of your dad? Hindi niya kilala. Kaya I'll make sure kilala ng anak nila, ang tatay nila. Okay, magpakilala ka, Brad? Nathaniel. Si brother Nathaniel. Oh, so the name of your dad is Nathaniel, okay? How do you call your dad? How do you call your dad?
Papa.
Papa, okay. Oh, are you okay now, Paige? Okay, now we're here. I think you're gonna win because you got 70 seconds. So, plus your dad, we will add on, okay? We have to tap on. How many seconds your dad finish, we will tap on, okay? So, Daddy, ano pangalan mo ulit?
Ruel.
Oh, Daddy, okay ka lang po, umiyak yung bata eh. Okay. Okay. So, Sarah. Okay, Sarah, right? Ilan taon ka na, Sarah? How old are you? Hannah.
Hannah.
How old are you?
7.
7, okay. And what's your name po, kuya?
Jong.
Jong. Okay, Jong, kaya no?
Anong game?
Ito, pahabaan.
Aba ng...
Pahabaan. Pahabaan tayo dito. Sino mahaba? Si paring... Okay, you will give it only once, okay? So make sure that you have a lot of air in your lungs, okay? In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Diana.
Sabi ni Jong, 9 daw, oh. Ikaw pati bata, ginugulangan mo, eh. Sabi niya, 9. 40 ng bilang lang lahat, eh. Ikaw, 9, eh. Okay. Paige, you can do this, ha? Okay, a while ago, you got 17 seconds. I think you can beat that. Zaira? Okay, Zaira. Sorry, Zaira. Okay, are you ready? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Okay, count in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Diana.
How many seconds? Okay, the first one got 14, 17. Ano sa'yo? 9 pa din. Parang humihinto siya sa 9. Okay, game. Are you ready? Okay, ha? Okay, ha? Yan, si father stage talaga, stage father talaga. Are you ready? Pagka ready ka na, ha? Okay, ha? Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Diana.
Sandali. Ilan kayo? Ilan? 9? Eh, yung tatay ilan? Ayan, ilan?
18.
18 daw. Gusto yung pagbigyan, 18? O, di ba? Yung binubungan niyang 9. Napunta sa... pagbigyan natin. Tingnan natin kung 9. You want more? Okay, I'll give you one more chance. In 3?
Yes.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Diana.
Oh, 20.
Ano?
25.
Nag-visit ako sa ama, ba't ganun? Ang hirap maging ama. Okay, so, the first one got 17 and 13. Naku, hindi nagkakalayo. Yung mga ama, tignan ko. Tignan natin kung gaano kahaba ang pasensya ng mga ama. Nathaniel, okay ka na? Ibigay mo yung pinakamahaba mo. At kailangan to ng $10 sa mga anak nyo, okay? Para sa anak, okay? Are you ready? Ha?
Ang halan to eh.
Ay, taga na. May nagko-contest doon. Okay. Nathaniel, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, pag ready ka na, bilang tayo ha. 3. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Diana!
Ganun lang, 11 inches, 11 seconds lang. Bakit may inches, Kuya Kasing Bartolome? Kasi pag nakikita kita yung muscle mo, nakakatakot. So parang sabi ko kanina, naka 11 seconds. Okay, 11 seconds. Ruben, masyado seryoso si Ruben. Ruben, taga saan ka pa sa Pilipinas? Ay, Ruben, taga saan ka Pilipinas?
Dapaw.
Ay, Davao. Wow, dito Davao, 3 times. Sa Davao ako nagbabakasyon kasi doon yung mga kaibigan ko. Davao City mismo, pati sa, nakalimutan ko isa, may mga kinasal din akong kaibigan doon eh. Sige, kuya, alam mo na gagawin? Alam mo, baka kilala mo ba yung may birthday?
Oo.
Kasi narinig niya. Kasi actually hindi siya sure kung kanina napupunta niya dito. Are you ready, Noel?
Alright.
Okay, pagka ready ka na.
Happy birthday, Diana!
Hoy, tayo sila ng tatay na isa. Parehas sila ng 11 inches. Kailangan ma-break yun. Sino pupusta dito? 15 seconds. Sino pupusta? Bibigyan ko ng $5. Sino mataas sa 15 seconds? Sino mataas? Bibigyan ko $5. 9 inches. Pwede na yun. Okay. Are you ready? Laban ka, Chong. Laban ha. Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Sa Iligan City,
Iligan City is also by Bisaya talaga? Oo, galing. Anong region to?
Region 10.
Uy, alam niya? Anong region ng Davao?
11.
Wow! Magkasunod! Ang galing-galing. Ikaw, di ba taga-Taiwan ka? Akala ko taga-Taiwan siya eh. Sorry. Ano siya?
Taga-Ilocos yan.
Taga-Ilocos siya.
Marcos yan.
Marcos. Ay, si Bongbong nandito pala. Sorry na. Hindi ako na. Okay. Ready ka na, Jong?
Ready na.
Ready na si Jong. Okay. Pag ready ka na, Jong.
Okay. Kailangan manalo tayo. Okay. Happy birthday, Diana!
Bakit? Alam mo, pinakamaliit siya! Pinakamaliit siya! 10 inches lang! Gamay lang! Gamay lang! Wala eh! Pare-parehas ng halos eh!
Magkano ba sa akin?
Ano? Mag-usap tayo mamaya. So I think may nanalo na tayo. Palampakan natin naman si Ruel at ang kanyang anak. Woo! Okay, because of that, you will receive how much? $10. Yay! Kasi may effort ni Daddy yun. Okay, palampakan naman natin sila.
Never get enough, that's all I'm feeling left. Ooh, me and my friends dance until we drop, and the good times don't stop. The good times don't stop. The good times don't stop. Late nights sitting under starlight, searching for the meaning in the beauty that we see. Come bathe in the glow. Back can't get enough. That summer feeling rough. Ooh, me and my friends dance until we drop, and the good times don't stop.